Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible. Right, for the last few days, guys, I have literally been researching, trying to find an exchange which would offer us the cheapest fees, faster payment option, transfer, buying everything all in one in order for us to actually get money onto Binance. Obviously, recently we've had so much news regarding the bans. Barclays have done it. Santander has done it. I've been seeing people in the comments talking about Halifax and Lloyd's TSB as well. It's getting a little bit mental out there, and it's just, restricting us from getting money onto Binance without paying big fees. Obviously, the fee with a debit card on Binance right now in the UK is roughly 1.8%. Whereas, obviously, if you've done the faster payment option, it's completely free. Now, one thing I was looking at was actually downloading Revolut, buying on there and sending euros to Binance. But then they stopped the euros faster payments as well. So I was just like, what am I going to do? So that's why I carried on researching, and I finally found an exchange which offers very, very cheap transactions, transfers. And today I'm going to basically be showing you how to do it. So drum roll, Kraken. Kraken is the exchange we are going to be using. They do offer a faster payment service, which is still absolutely fine to use in the UK. And it is absolutely free to get money on there as well, obviously using faster payments. I just want to let you guys know this is not a Kraken tutorial on how to fully use Kraken. I could definitely do that in another video. However, this is simply just a tutorial on how to deposit money onto Kraken and then move it, the best way to move it to Binance. Just to give you a quick breakdown, we're going to deposit money onto Kraken using faster payments. We're then going to exchange it for XRP and then move that XRP to your Binance account. It's going to cost minimal fees and it will be there very, very quickly as well. So it's going to be a screen recording on my phone with my voice behind it so you can watch it step by step and do it with me. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So guys, once you have fully downloaded Kraken and you've got yourself set up and everything else, you've obviously done your verification process, this is the screen that you are going to see. As you can see at the top right here in the middle, I have deposited £50 through the faster payments option. To do this, what you want to do is go to the bottom where the tabs are and go to the one on the right hand side where the two arrows are. Click it and click deposit cash or crypto. When you click that, it will come up with all of the balances which you are able to deposit. Obviously, in our case, we're going to type in GBP, Great British Pounds. Click that. Then as you can see at the top, Clear Junction, FPS, which is faster payments. You want to go ahead and click that. It's a £1 minimum, which you have to deposit, but there's no fee. So you want to click that. And here it will give you all of the information which you need to input into your bank account in order to deposit money. Make sure you are inputting the correct sort code, account number, and reference number. Very, very important. So guys, once you have done that, it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, just like Binance did, 10 to 15 minutes. Might take a bit longer, might be a bit quicker, but it will arrive. Once it has arrived, I'll show you what to do next. So guys, once it has arrived, you will get an email verification and you can see your account balance at the top of Kraken as well. Now what we want to go ahead and do is actually buy XRP with that money, okay? So you want to just go to the home page, which is at the bottom left tab, and just scroll down and to assets, click XRP Ripple, buy Ripple, and then just go ahead and click max or however much you want. Obviously I've got £50, and then all you got to do is swipe to confirm. Now before you do that, you can see right here what the fees are. As you can see, it's going to cost me 74p to buy XRP Ripple. Now compared to so many other exchanges, it is so much cheaper, and then moving XRP literally costs nothing. So in this case, literally the only fees we're going to be paying is 75 pence. So swipe to confirm, and then in a few seconds time, just like that, we have successfully brought XRP. Now guys, you've obviously brought XRP. What we need to do now is be able to move that XRP from Kraken to Binance. In order to do that, we need to get to your XRP address from Binance. So let's head over there now and I'll show you what to do next. So guys, once you have purchased your XRP, you want to head over to your Binance and go to your wallets in the bottom right, and then click deposits in the top left and type in XRP. When you do that, you obviously want to click XRP, and here it will give you your XRP deposit address and tag. All you got to do is copy the address, head back over to your Kraken, let it reconnect. Once you've done that, you want to go back to the bottom tab on the right hand side, click it. This time you want to withdraw cash or crypto. Now here it will show you all of your holdings. So in my case, I'm only holding XRP right here. You want to go ahead and click it. and then withdraw to, or obviously click max, the max amount of XRP. And then in my case, my address is already added in here. What you would want to do is click withdraw to, click that, and then enter new address. Once you have done that, you would have to put your description. So all you have to do is click or write in Binance XRP. So you know it's the Binance XRP, and then paste in your Binance address. Now in my case here, guys, because I've already done it, it's not going to allow me to do it again, but you'd have to click next. See, my address has already been saved, but you then have to go back to your Binance, copy the tag. Then on the next page, on this page on Kraken, when you click next, you would have to enter your tag. Once you've done that, it would be saved, and then you can withdraw your XRP. So because mine is already saved, I'm going to go ahead and click max, swipe to confirm, and then go and do my two-factor authentication, which everyone should have added into their Kraken account when they have made their Kraken verification. Submit, and then just like that, my Binance is now sent over. My XRP is now sent over to Binance. Okay, that is basically what you have to do. I'm just going to wait for the XRP to arrive in my Binance account so I can show you what to do next. Obviously, altogether, I did deposit £50 into Kraken. Once I eventually trade XRP on Binance, I'm going to trade it to USDT just because it's the most common stable coin right now. I'll show you how much I actually have from that £50 left so we can see how much fees we paid altogether. So let's just wait for that to arrive quick. So guys, now the XRP is deposited, and if you look at it right there, it shows £49. So all we done was paid £1 altogether in fees. You can obviously go ahead and now trade that for wherever you want on Binance and buy whatever you want and then transfer it wherever you want. So this is the little thing that I found for you guys to save some money. There you have it. It is very, very simple. Obviously, like I said, this is not a tutorial on how to use Kraken altogether. You will need to download the app. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. You will need to get yourself verified and add your details in and everything else, just like normal when setting up an exchange or an app on your phone, right? But once it is done, it is very, very straightforward to actually deposit money on there. You can withdraw on there as well. So if there was ever a problem with Binance with withdrawals, if that does come in the future, I'll show you guys how to withdraw as well. Otherwise, guys, that is going to be it for today. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope this is going to help so many people out there for the time being until Binance is back up with their faster payments deposits, and we hopefully start getting a lot more good news coming through. Otherwise, please do like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, make sure your notifications are turned on, make sure you join the Discord as well. The link is in the description below. We're building a big community on there, and guys, I'll see you soon.